Hi, I'm Shaheen and welcome to Miel Bakery.
Would you like pastry and coffee? What would you like?
If I'm baking, then the day starts really early. We're making things, egg washing things, putting croissants into the oven. Everything is made on site from scratch.
Do you want to try the bread?
The camera.
Oh, for the camera?
To see eggs, flour, water and butter transform to these flaky layers.
I want to eat a pound chocolate. It's out, 10 minutes, let it cool off and then I have to tear it apart.
The chocolate's still oozing, it's still buttery and shiny. So satisfying, it's so comforting.
Do you guys bake?
People, when they smile and say that this is the best thing they've had, this is why I bake,
This one's chocolate chip and custard.
How many hours of filming do you need? I'm always curious to see how other people approach food. I love to read cookbooks for understanding how a chef thinks. Wherever I have space, there's a plant. Using my hands and creating things, I can tune out of everything else and just focus. Oh my God, yeah. A dress is not the best thing to wear around cat time.